I'm going to make exactly one promise to you that I will keep. By the end of the video, you will understand the difference between the following 8 terms: data science, machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, artificial intelligence, big data, analytics, and statistics. First, we start with the terminologies themselves, and then we'll discuss the interaction between them. Data science is the use of data to discover unknown value in data or to automate processes. So that means taking data that looks like this and then turning it into value. Machine learning is a set of algorithms that involve learning from data, often to make predictions. So that means taking this data and actually running it through these specific machine learning algorithms, and then we get something like this, which is a predictive model. Deep learning is a set of machine learning algorithms, so it's a subset of machine learning that use these things called deep neural networks that we haven't discussed yet. These neural networks look something like this, and we call them deep because they have many different layers. And neural networks are a set of flexible algorithms that can solve a variety of problems. They look something like this, as we saw, and we use these to solve problems like this, maybe classifying different people into either accountants or engineers or college students based off of some information about them. Artificial intelligence is really the study of how to create smart machines, and in picture form, it's just us humans making stuff that are smart, like a robot. Big data is all about the study of efficiently storing, retrieving, and transforming large amounts of data. And so we have a huge amount of data here, and we need to very quickly maybe make a transformation on this data, like squaring the first column and doubling the third column and storing this and being able to access it very quickly. Analytics is the processing of data to analyze trends for making insights. And so maybe we'd look at data in a computer, and then we would produce some graph and see how we can do better in the future. Statistics is the mathematics governing all analytics and machine learning algorithms. So this is just the raw theory that mathematicians have outlined. Statistics makes everything. Here's an everything bagel. So to summarize, we have data science bringing value to data, machine learning, which is a set of algorithms that learn from data, big data, which is about processing huge amounts of data, analytics, which usually involves getting trends, statistics, which is the math governing almost all of these things, deep learning, which is about using neural networks to solve problems, and neural networks are a set of flexible algorithms to solve problems. Finally, artificial intelligence is about creating smart machines like robots. So we have an idea about all of these terms individually, but we don't know the interaction between them yet, and that's what we're going to do now. Let's look at the interaction between each of these terms one at a time. So for data science, the use of data to discover unknown value in data, data science needs machine learning algorithms to function. It needs big data because it needs to get data, and analytics and statistics is going to help it do some number crunching. Deep learning and neural networks are powerful modern tools to do data science, and data science is going to power artificial intelligent machines. Now for machine learning, which is a set of algorithms that involve learning from data to make predictions. So machine learning is going to use big data, it needs data. It's going to use analytics and statistics to do number crunching. It's going to use deep learning and neural networks to do machine learning. And it's going to power artificial intelligence and power data science itself. Now, for big data, which is the study of efficiently storing, retrieving, and transforming large amounts of data, well, big data is going to allow analytics to work, it's going to use statistics, and it's going to power deep learning and neural networks because these neural networks need data. Now, it's going to power artificial intelligent machines. It's also going to allow data science and machine learning to work. Big data almost always has a powers relationship as it's a tool to provide data. Now for analytics, the processing of data to mostly analyze trends to make insights, well, this is going to use big data, of course. It's going to use statistics. It's going to power deep learning and neural networks. Number crunching is going to allow these things to work. It's going to power artificial intelligent machines and power data science. It's also going to power machine learning. Aside from big data and statistics, which is usually going to be a use relationship, it's going to power all of these other things. It really just means number crunching and finding trends in data. Now statistics, the mathematics governing all analytics and machine learning algorithms. Well, can you guess the relationship here? It's going to be powers, 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 powers. It doesn't make sense for statistics to use anything. It is raw mathematics, and it's going to make everything else function. Deep learning, the set of machine learning algorithms that use deep neural networks. Well, deep learning is going to use neural networks. It's going to power artificial intelligence and data science, and it's going to power machine learning. It's also going to require big data. It's going to require analytics, and of course, require statistics. Neural networks, the set of flexible algorithms that can solve a variety of problems, well, that's obviously going to power artificial intelligence. We see this a lot. We see it's going to power data science, it's going to power machine learning, it's going to require big data, it's going to require analytics, require statistics, and it's going to power deep learning because deep learning means using neural networks. Artificial intelligence, the study of how to create smart machines. And to finish it off, artificial intelligence is the easiest one. It is all going to be a use relationship. It requires all of these things to function. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video and it helped you out, please drop a like. It helps a lot. And subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Really enjoy making data science content and explaining it to you, so please stick around.